Hi, it's Matt McWaters from Harcourts Empire and welcome to 34 Valencia Ave in Churchlands. We have a massive 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with loads of living space and an amazing outdoor entertaining area. Come along, have a look, and we look forward to seeing you soon.